This is the family's home. It is a normal morning, but today is not a happy day. Let's watch and learn.
Can someone help me, please?
I'm busy with these bills. I'm playing my game.
When nobody helps, I feel so alone.
This is Laura. She is in the kitchen. She is cooking lunch for the family. She is cutting vegetables. She is stirring the soup.
She is working very hard, but she is alone.
This is Nico. He is sitting on the sofa. He is playing video games. He is not in the kitchen. He is not helping Laura. He is laughing and having fun. Laura is working. Nico is playing.
Nico, can you help me in the kitchen, please? I am very tired.
Yes. In 1 minute, Laura.
Nico, I need some things from the market. Can you go and buy them, please? I need bread, milk, and tomatoes.
Not now, Laura. I am busy. Later, okay?
But I need them now, Nico.
It is the afternoon now. The lunch is finished. Laura is washing the dishes. She is alone again. Nico is still playing his game. He is not helping. He is out talking.
It is evening now. The family is eating dinner. Nico is looking at his phone. The children are talking. But Laura is quiet. She is not eating. She is not smiling. It is late at night. The house is dark. Everyone is sleeping. But Laura is not sleeping. She is sitting at the kitchen table. She is writing a letter. It is a very important letter. Laura takes a small bag. She puts her clothes inside. She looks at the kitchen. She cooked there every day. She looks at the sofa. Nico always played there. She looks at the photos of her family on the wall. Nico reads the letter. He is very quiet now. The kitchen is empty. The house is cold. Laura is not there. A home needs love. A home needs help. A home needs two people working together. Nico had a wonderful wife, but he did not see it. He did not listen. He was too...
What did I do? What did I do?
Dad, are you okay?
I am okay, Lily. I am okay.
Dad, did Mom leave because of the games?
Not just the games, Lily. Because I was not there.
Dad, where is Mom? Is she at the market?
She went away for a little while, Omar. I don't know, Omar, but I am going to talk to her.
Okay, Dad. Can I have breakfast? Okay. Eggs, butter. I can do that.
She did this every day, every single day.
Thanks, Dad.
The eggs are good.
Do I listen? Do I understand now.
I love you. Please come home.
Time. I just need a little time. Laura, where are you? I am worried. I am okay, Sophia. I am in a cafe. I left the house. You left? Why? What's wrong? I just needed some space. I'm fine, really. Sophia, I have to tell you everything. The long morning, the market, the letter, leaving. Oh, Laura, I am so sorry. You were right to leave. Was I? I don't know, Sophia. The children to... Come and stay with me, Laura, for a few days. You need rest. I don't want to bother you. You are my sister. You are never a bother. Come now. Here you go for the coffee.
Thank you. Enjoy your day.
Thanks. Wow, the city looks so vibrant today. Laura, you're here. You are safe. Everything is okay. cries softly.
The children are at school. The house is quiet. The house isn't dirty, but I want to clean it. I'll start with the kitchen. Where does this go? And this? I'll just put these here. Does this shelf work? Bread, dough milk, tomatoes. Okay, I can do this. Bread, milk, tomatoes, butter. All right, first time at the market. Bread, milk, tomatoes? Excuse me, where are the tomatoes, please? Aisle 3 on the left. Thank you very much. This bag is heavy. She carried this every week. Laura makes soup. I can make soup. How hard can it be? Oh, the onions! Now I understand, Laura!
It needs something. What does Laura add? "6:30. Laura always got up at 6:30. Not burned. Good. Thank you, Lily. You are a good girl.
I learned from Mum. Dad, do you think Mum is okay?
Yes, she is with Aunt Sophia. She is safe.
Do you think she will come back?
I hope so, Lily. Things will be different. Different means I change, not her.